Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install a free VPN on iPhone using the Planet VPN. Let's get started. First thing you need to do is to open the App Store on your iPhone and then here search for the Planet VPN and tap download and wait for the installation to complete. Then tap Open once the app finishes installing, and on the welcome screen, tap Agree and Continue, and when prompted, allow notifications. And here you'll be offered a $5 per month premium plan, but skip it. Tap Continue and use a free version, and it works well. Then connect your VPN server. At the top, your current location will show, then tap a select region and choose a free option like US, France, and others, and tap the location you want. And when prompted, allow a VPN configuration and enter your device passcode if required. And confirm connection. Once connected, the VPN icon will appear at the top of your screen and you're now browsing for the selected location. You can now verify by opening apps like Twitter and checking location based content. The free plan has a 6-hour session limit. A countdown will appear inside the app, and then after that, you can either reconnect or consider upgrading. And disconnect the VPN, you can tap disconnect button and you'll return to original IP location. You have now a free, no sign up VPN running on your iPhone with access global content safely and easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.